In this video, I'm going to show you how to view Green Arrow's SMTP delivery stats. These stats are useful for discovering some types of performance and deliverability issues. The first step is to log in to Green Arrow Engine's web interface. After you're logged in, click on the Statistics tab. This will bring you to an index of all recently sent campaigns. Next, click on the View Stats button that appears next to the campaign whose stats you'd like to view. There's a lot of data here, but the information that we're going to look at is all in the SMTP Server Stats tab, so let's go there. Now we can see what happened at SMTP delivery time. The results are aggregated by recipient domain, with domains containing the most recipients listed first. Let's use yahoo.com as an example. We can see that 48% of messages that Green Arrow tried to send to Yahoo recipients failed. That's another way of saying that the message is bounced. A 48% bounce rate is high, so let's see what's happening. If you click on the bounce percentage, Green Arrow will show you a report of what bounce text was returned, sorted in order of frequency. We can see that the majority of Yahoo messages that bounced with the same deferral message. We can also see what the bounce says. This particular bounce is a TSO1 deferral from Yahoo, indicating that messages are being temporarily deferred due to user complaints. It also provides a link to Yahoo's website for more information. At this point, you might be wondering why these deferral messages from Yahoo are being logged as bounces. The reason for that is that these messages expired in queue. By default, Green Arrow will retry deliveries of deferred messages for up to 2 days before giving up. At the end of those 2 days, if messages are still being deferred, Green Arrow will stop trying to deliver them and log the most recent deferral message as part of the bounce text. We can see evidence of this by closing out this summary of bounces and moving on to the deferral stats. If we click on Yahoo's 94.2% deferral rate, then we can see that most of the deferrals are occurring with the same message that we saw a moment ago when looking at bounces. The final data point that we have for Yahoo SMTP delivery attempts is the delivery rate. This rate tells us what percentage of delivery attempts which normally would occur were skipped because of Green Arrow's internal throttling settings. In this case, none were, so we're good. This was a very brief overview of one part of Green Arrow's stats. If you'd like to learn more, check out the Green Arrow Engine stats video linked to below.